Hello, my friends, and welcome back. We're going to build this amazing application together in this section called Volume Calculator application. And this application will allow you to master grid views in Android. We're going to introduce new concepts such as view holders and array adapters. So this is a very important application. I want from you to focus with me. Also, we're going to handle the click events on the grid view items. For example, the sphere, it will direct the user to the sphere volume activity. So if I enter the radius, calculate the volume, it will calculate the volume of the sphere with radius 3 meters. So this is a very important application. We're going to introduce new concepts, and I want from you to fully focus with me to master grid views in Android.